So in this Visme tutorial video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to create a gauge chart here on the Visme mobile application. So once you're into the Visme app, go to the bottom right and press on the blue circle. Then under project type, I want you to go ahead to where it says charts and graphs. So sort of right in the middle here, right above principles, right below social media, it says charts and graphs. Simply just go ahead and press on that. Now, as you can tell, you have a whole bunch of different options here for the chart, but the first one that comes up is the gauge chart. So make sure that gauge chart is pressed. Now, what you can do after this is either go to the blank template and create your own gauge chart yourself, or what you can do if you want to base this off a prior template already within the app, you can scroll down to a whole bunch of different gauge chart options. So if you want to do this one right here, the average car speed on the highway, you can go ahead and press on this one. It'll take a couple seconds to load, and once that is done, it's honestly a pretty straightforward process on how you guys can create a gauge chart. But as you can tell right here, I do have this template loaded up. So now what you can do is edit the different values. You can edit the graphics, the colors, whatever the case may be, into your own gauge chart. But it's a pretty straightforward process on how you guys can create a gauge chart here on the Visme mobile application. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.